Hello, my name is Pavitra and I am a professional life coach. I am conducting trainings and workshop. So this is something new experience I got here because this is very different for me. एक्चुअली मैं कभी कपल और ये सारी चीज़ों में कभी उलझती नहीं थी. 4 साल ही हुए शादी को, तो मेरे लिए ये वर्कशॉप बहुत यूज़फुल है. कई सारे एग्जाम्पल्स या फिर इंसिडेंट्स आई रिकॉग्नाइज एंड आई रिमेंबर व्हेन यू आर टॉट. सो इट्स वाज वेरी नाइस एंड ग्रेट. थैंक यू.
हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ निशा चांदर. आज सुबह से मैं पल्लवी के साथ उसके वर्कशॉप में हूँ. सबसे अच्छी बात जो थी उसका पूरे समय मुस्कुराते रहना. शी हैज़ अ लवली स्माइल एंड अ वेरी प्योर हार्ट. उसने जो भी कुछ सिखाती है बहुत दिल से निकलता है उसके. एंड रियली इट वॉज ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. बहुत अलग डायमेंशन से उसने जो नॉर्मल चीज़ों को एक अलग डायमेंशन से बताया, और जो रूट कॉज एनालिसिस तक वो हमको लेके गई कि व्हाट कैन बी द रूट कॉज फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड हाउ यू कैन गेट द solution with simple tricks. It was wonderful, amazing attending her workshop and the way she simplifies and teaches. Thank you so much, Pallavi.
My name is Sadasivam. I am at present manager corporate relationship training and Vashi Engineering College, Bandra West, Mumbai. It was indeed informative and useful. Pardon? Yeah, I will use it in my work.
Hello, I'm Simi. I'm a psychologist, and this workshop has been very useful for me, and I'll be applying this in my personal life also, as well as in group profession.
Hello, I'm Raj from Defence Institute of Advanced Technologies, and there I am working on one project in which I will be working on the stress caused by various factors which come from the daily life. So the couple relation, I would say, is a major factor which at times it creates a lot of stress, but people are not aware of that. And because working on that modalities, I wanted to understand the complete functioning and how to understand and address the issue. So with the real case studies which were covered here, this has given me very good insight to understand, and the literature part which has been given to me, once probably I'll go through, I'll be able to make out how best I can make use of this particular workshop. It was a nice experience here. Thank you.